What is climate sensitivity and how does it relate? Have you ever wondered how much warmer our planet might get if we keep adding carbon dioxide to the atmosphere? This is where climate sensitivity comes into play. Climate sensitivity is a key concept in climate science that tells us how much the Earth's surface temperature will rise if atmospheric carbon dioxide concentrations double. This measurement is essential for understanding the potential impacts of climate change and guiding policy decisions on greenhouse gas emissions. At its core, climate sensitivity is closely tied to the greenhouse effect. The greenhouse effect is a natural process where certain gases in the Earth's atmosphere trap heat, keeping our planet warm enough to support life. However, human activities, especially the burning of fossil fuels, have significantly increased carbon dioxide levels. This enhancement of the greenhouse effect leads to additional warming. There are two main types of climate sensitivity that scientists focus on. The first is transient climate response, which refers to the immediate warming that occurs when carbon dioxide levels double, typically over a few decades. The second type is equilibrium climate sensitivity, which is the long-term warming that happens once all climate processes have reached a stable state. This equilibrium can take centuries to achieve. Understanding these two types helps policymakers predict how quickly and how much the Earth will warm in response to rising carbon dioxide levels. Feedback loops also play a role in climate sensitivity. For instance, when ice melts, it reveals darker surfaces that absorb more sunlight, leading to further warming. Additionally, warmer oceans can increase evaporation, adding more water vapor to the atmosphere. Since water vapor is a greenhouse gas, this can amplify the warming effect. From a political standpoint, grasping climate sensitivity is vital for creating effective climate policies. It allows policymakers to assess the potential impacts of various emission scenarios and set realistic targets for reducing greenhouse gas emissions. For example, the Paris Agreement aims to limit global warming to well below 2 degrees Celsius above pre-industrial levels. Knowing the range of climate sensitivity helps policymakers evaluate how feasible it is to achieve such targets and how urgently emission reductions need to be implemented. In practical terms, climate sensitivity can guide decisions on energy policy, carbon pricing, and investments in renewable energy. By understanding how sensitive the climate is to increases in carbon dioxide, governments can better allocate resources to mitigate climate change effects and adapt to its impacts. This includes investing in infrastructure that can withstand climate changes, supporting research on climate change, and promoting international cooperation to tackle this global challenge.